Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So let's wait 5 minutes more for others to join. And in the meantime, if you have any doubts regarding the website designing, you can ask me. After that, we will continue with our website part again for the today's session. But if you have any doubts, you can ask. And I hope that everyone must have started their website work.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. Yesterday, I just was, created one under Wix.com.
Yeah.
But after I turn my this name and all, it is always asking for the payment. It is not going to the next thing.
Which payment?
No, it is asking for some 5-year plan, 1-year plan like that.
No, you can just close that option and you can
But
continue
it
with
is not at
working.
all closing.
No, it's never happened. It never happened in our whole life like that.
Okay.
Uh, See, you have my number.
Oh, I have.
Okay, so just when you open that and that appears, send that
Okay.
screenshot to me. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
there might be you have you might have clicked on some other options, might.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you.
you're welcome. Anyone else? Any doubts?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yesterday I made this web page and I had saved it, but I'm not finding it now. It gets saved, right?
Yeah, yeah. If you saved it,
Yeah, there
you
was
will
a save
find it.
option and I had saved it. Oh,
We'll see today. Okay.
yeah.
Yes.
So what is this connect domain that I didn't understand? I had asked yesterday also about that domain.
Mhm. Domain query you have. Okay. See, I'm just writing you the queries, and at the end, I will, complete all the queries.
Fine. Okay.
Anyone else? Any doubts? Okay, so I think most of the students have joined and it's time as well. So let's start with the session, everyone. Just a minute, I'm sharing my screen. So my screen is visible, right? Anybody? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. So in the yesterday's class, we saw all the options, how to change them and how to change the text, how to add this image, animation, background, and how to add the more elements as well from the element section, the sections and all. So next part that we have is, see, this is a welcome section. Then we have the about me. Then we have here the gallery option. We can add here as a portfolio thing. So let's add the text here as a portfolio. That will be better. Portfolio. And make it in the center aligned with a bigger font, like in the center. So in the center, we will see this centered line just like the Canva. With the edit text, we have the font option here. Let's change the font on this one. Okay. And after that, we have the underline. So let's skip that and make the size a little smaller, not that much bigger even. With the effects we wanted to, okay. And we also need to add the animation here. Okay, like this. We have it here. Then we will move them like, see, now we have to move them with one part as a one part, like a group thing. So what we will do is we will press the press the shift button and then click on each one. And then we will release the shift. We will see the group elements. So it's grouped. I can move them at a one go, not a single element. Okay, so our portfolio is ready here. The section is too big, so let's make it smaller. And after that, we have the services part. Then we have the last contact informations. So in the footer, okay, we haven't added anything here, but we can add. This strip you see here, the fixed one, you can just remove that as well. Okay, there is no big thing, and make this one a little like this. Okay, now the next part that comes today is about the header. Okay, the only thing that is left is the header here. So as we can see, this is the header part. Let's make sure it is the page is 100% and not bigger or smaller. So this is the header part. So in that header, we need to add these menu options, right? That if we click on that, we will directly be, redirected to that particular page or section, like this website. Okay, let me show you. Yes, the website that I shared yesterday, the Techie Shore one. Here you see these options. So just like them, like if I click on About Us, it redirected me to here in this page. And if I click on the Contact Us, then I am redirected to the contact page directly. And same with our services. So we need to do the same thing. So for that, what we need to do is, first we go to the, see, here we have this option, this green one, you see this line, and in the right it is about. So we just remove this first, and we see if we have more options here, just like that. So we don't have. Now go to the add elements. Now we have to go to the menu and anchor. Okay, because we need to add the menu icons, menu basically. So for that we need to go to the menu and icon anchors, and then we have here the anchor. Okay, in page navigation we have the option of anchor, and you will see this big blue option here, anchor. Click on that, you will see this this green line. So we just name it, like the first one we have was is the about me. So I write that, and after that we need to drag it to the about me section starting, to the start of the about me, like here. Okay, it is here. So if anybody clicks on that about me, it will be redirected to here. Then same we have to click on, we have to go to this portfolio one. So again go to add elements, menu and anchor, same choose the anchor option. Here the section is the portfolio, so we write that name, and we just make it in the starting of this section as well, the portfolio one, like this. After that we have the our services. Here add elements, add the menu and anchor. So we add the anchor here as our services, and after that let me drag it above this, like it. And then we have the contact information. So we add another anchor with the name of contact me or contact us, anything. It is here. Okay, it's fine here at the end because we need it in the starting of this contact information. And we can change it as well, like this. Okay, done. It's clear everyone how to add the anchors. Done. So now what, how to add these buttons? So for that we first need to remove these one. Okay, so we remove them, and just a second. Here we remove that part, we have the logo here, and we need to add the icons. So for that we need to go to the add elements, and same go to the menu. Now we don't click on, we haven't we don't need to click on anchor. Now we will click on this menus option in the starting. Okay, the theme menus, these are the menu options, the horizontal menus, vertical menu if you wanted to add, and the hamburger menus are also there, like that. These lines menus, the plus menu icon, like that. So we will click on the theme menus. Anyone, any menu you can click on, just like that, and it is here. So we will make it in the center of this, not the center basically, but in the correct fitting position, perfectly fitting, like this. Okay, now we will click on manage menu because we have to manage them. Here as you can see, the home is here. Okay, so one was have the doubt, like she saved the website, but now she is not able to see that. Okay, the website is not visible. So I think the doubt is this, that you have created that homepage, but now you might be seeing the different things. Am I right? And whose doubt it was? I think Sangeeta's doubt was, it was
Yes, sir.
Sangeeta.
Yes, yes,
That
sir.
was your doubt?
Yeah, yeah. I'm not able to see still now. And the
You
other thing of that connect domain.
No, no. Connect domain is something different.
Yeah,
First,
yes.
let's clear this one. Yes.
Yeah,
So you
whatever
are
I had
saying
saved
these
yesterday.
things.
Yeah, the web page which I had saved yesterday, I can't see it. I don't
You
know
are
where.
seeing a different web page, right?
No, the one which I had made, I am not seeing it.
That's what I'm saying. Na?
Yeah,
That's what the one you have made. You are not able to see that, but you
right.
are
Yeah,
seeing the another web page.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So basically, what would have happened is here, go to the page section above, and you will see the home. So just click on the home. You might have been on the different page. Okay, everyone.
Okay.
Like here, we on the top hand side we have the home pages. Sorry, page option. So we have the different pages on a website. So the home page is the main page, and here in the manage menu, as you can all see, the home is selected. Okay, we are on the home page. So if in the right click on the home page, you see the delete option. If you by any chance clicked on that, your website will be deleted. So
Right, sir.
please be focused on the things that never ever delete the home page, because the home page is the main page of your website. Okay, and you can
Okay.
redirect your your pages by clicking on them as well. Like if I click on this work one now, like in the top in the top we see the home page. I can click on here the profile, so it redirected me to the profile one. Okay, the header and the footer is the same, because it will appear the same in on all the pages. You cannot change the header and footer for each page. So let's continue with the manage menu option here. So I was here that never delete the home page, but the other pages you can delete them, as we don't need them as of now. Okay, we are only creating the website for a one page, so we can delete that. Like that we have deleted, and this one we can delete this as well. And you can see your website is here as it is, as it was. So click on the manage menu here. Now we need to add the different menus that we needed. So below you see this add menu item, click on them. We have the option of anchor, right? We added the anchors, so we will click on anchor. In that anchor section, we see which page is home page, and where on the page is, see, this is the anchor. Okay, I zoomed it. This is the anchor option, anchor icon that we have added. And you see the section about is there, but we will click on this anchor about me, not the section one. Okay, so we click on that and we click on done. Here, the done, we click and redirect it to here. Just add another one again, anchor, and where on the page we will go to the anchor. Now for the portfolio, this same button, anchor and done. Now let's add the another one here on the page to our services, and done. We saved it. At the end we have another anchor here on the page to contact us. Done. Now as we can see, first is home, then a contact, services, portfolio, about. But first we have the about me, not the contact us. So we will rearrange them by dragging it below like that. Our services, like that, and portfolio here and about me. Okay, left hold and drag it down. Left hold and drag down. Like home, about, portfolio, services, contact. Done. So in the preview option, if you click and we click on this our services, just give me a second. Yes, just give it a second. There was some glitch, might be. So we click it again, our services, and we are here. If we click on about me, we will be redirected to the about me section. And if we click on contact us, we will be redirected to contact page section. Sorry. So this is how you add these sections. Okay, so I think this thing, the header part and the redirection is clear, everyone. Is it clear, everyone? See, with that, our website is completed. So that's why I'm asking, is it clear?
Sir, I found it now.
Okay, you found it now? Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's move ahead. See, with that, our website is completed in the desktop version. Okay, if anybody opens that in the desktop, it is done. But what if someone opens it in the mobile? Like here in the top, in the preview option section, you see the desktop and the mobile. Let's click on the mobile. Now see, this section is completely blank. Here the line is different, the space is there. This is correct here, this is good, but the space is also there, like it, like this one, it is good, and the mail ID you see. So there are, in the mobile, the screen size changes. So according to that, we also need to make the changes in the mobile. Okay, all the elements you add in the desktop version will appear in the mobile version as well, but with the different sizes. Okay, so let's move to the mobile and then we will publish it. Okay, so there was a doubt from Sri Venkat as well. So Sri Venkat, I read your doubt, but I will take that at the end. Okay, so here in the top side, in the editor option, okay, not in the preview, now we are in the editor. So we have to click on the mobile in the top above, like in the dev mode is there, dev. Now below it we have the desktop and the mobile. So we will click on the mobile. Let's go here, meet your site. First is customize your header, that is scroll with page, disappears, fades out, fixed. Okay, so we can just add the another you like anyone, so just check it out by doing. Okay, the one you like, let's fade it out or scroll with page. Click on the next. Then we have the quick position, so we will add it as no action bar. Okay, we don't need this extra option in this side because that will distract the user by clicking the options. So we'll click next. Then we have the back to the top button, this button. Like if someone clicks on that, he or she will be redirected to the top of the page. So we don't need this. Okay, we need our website to be clean. Let's go to the mobile editor. Done. So now the first thing that we need to do is add the logo here. But like I said, every element that we add in the desktop will be here, will be appearing here in the mobile. Like you can see, everything is here, but the logo is not, right? So where is the logo? So basically what happened is, like here you see the logo is here. Okay, and how did I know that? When I click on this section, a single click, I see this here, a square box is appearing, right? So I know that something is here and it is also in the orange color, so that means this square box belongs to the header only, because the header and the footer are in the orange color and rest in the blue color. So I will just drag it, and the logo is here, so we will go there and make it up the size bigger, make it shorter like this, crop it, make it bigger like that, and make it smaller. Like in the top we have this button as well, so we will make it like this one. Okay, done. Our logo is here in the bigger size, and we can make it in the center as well. And add this button icon to here, like this. So next we have this Mohit Media. We can just change this text size here. With the size is now it is in the one part, and after that let's drag my picture in the center to some little above. After that we need to this line a bigger part with the attach of with by attaching it with the image. Then we will make this section a smaller because we need to fill out that gap. Now it is done. The about me is this anchor. You see the about me anchor is below the about me option, so we will drag it to above. Then it is done. We have the space here, so we will make the section smaller like this and make the size of this one portfolio bigger. And the audio video you see here, we can make the collage of it. Like we can just make this smaller. It is not doing because it is already in the smaller size here. Okay, we need at least this size. That's when why it is not happening. It is not changing its size. Next we have the portfolios. Like see, portfolio we have, but the anchor is here in the below part, so we'll drag it to above like that. Then we have the our services. We will drag that as well. It's this one. We have the services here, then the contact, but this mail ID we need the size of it smaller like this. Okay, so in this mobile version you cannot change anything. Okay, you cannot be like we change the font, we change the other things and all. You cannot change that. You can only change the size of the font. Okay, the font is can be changed only in the desktop version. It will remain same here as well. And in the settings option you can see 2 3 options are there. The size and all with same thing are there. The animation you can add here. Okay, the animation you can change. Like here we have the animation, so we can change the animation in this mobile version. And anything you change in the desktop will be changed in the mobile, but if you change anything in the mobile it will not be changed in the desktop. Okay, remember this. And if you delete this image, but then it will not be deleted. Understand that thing. Once an element is added in the desktop version, it will remain in the mobile version. In mobile version, what is this? What is the thing is you just hide that. Like in the left hand side, you see this last option hidden on mobile. We click on that, we have this image. So we just click on the show option and we have our image here. We have one container box as well. If we just don't click on, we put a cursor on it, we see here in the center below there is this container box that is highlighted. So we don't need a container box here, so we just don't make it show. Okay, and in the left hand side we have the option of elements, that is add to mobile site. Okay, now as you can see here is add to mobile site, means anything you add, the text, image, button and all, it will only be added in the mobile, not in the desktop. Okay, then we have the pages, the background option, we have mobile background, so if you wanted to change. Then we have the mobile tools that we have covered as well, this quick bar, action bar, browse, theme, color and all, everything is done. And this is how the mobile view is all completed, as simple as it is. Okay, the only thing is you have to make the website in the desktop, and in the mobile you just have to make the elements synced, aligned and all the things. Okay, it was very easy in the mobile because you have already created in the desktop. So one thing that is left out in the mobile version is the header part of where is about, where is contact, our services and portfolio. So in mobile we have this option, the option button, we all see, menu option, menu button. So we double click it, it will be open like that. As you can see, home, about, portfolio, and you can see this is not visible. So we just make this smaller. Okay, and increase the width of that, and we make the size more smaller and increase the width of it like that. But it is not looking nice, so what we will do is we will go to the design option here, and we will change the text. Go to the text option, no, spacing option, the last option we have here. But we don't have the text. Okay, let's make the size smaller here from 40 to 15, or 20 we can add. Yes, 20 is nice, it will be looking. Okay, the shadow, fill color, opacity, borders we have. In the settings option, there is nothing. In the layout option, we might have the option that I wanted. Yes, this is here. Like the text alignment, it is in the center, but we wanted it in the right hand side. Now you can see. And to make it smaller size, make bigger like this, you can see it is looking more appealing than the earlier one, because earlier the text were too big. Okay, and after the completion of that, you can just double click on the close option and you will be here. I hope you have it's done, everyone. Everyone, is it clear, all the options of how to edit the mobile version as well? Only one answer is there.
So it is asking for the logo plan.
Ma'am,
Is
you
it?
have might have clicked on something else.
I selected one logo,
Yes.
and after editing and all, when I said get your brand, then it's asking for the choose your logo plan.
From where you have added your logo?
I got the logo, ready logo from the AI.
Mm, you should have your own logo from the Canva. That's what I
Okay.
said. No,
Okay, we need to make a own
yeah.
logo.
If you
Okay.
use its premium version, if you go for the AI things and all that I
Hmm.
skipped, then it will ask you for the money.
Okay. Hmm.
Yes. In the free version, you can do a lot of things, but you are clicking on different things. See, what is happening is what I am trying to give you, just grab that first. Okay. That is a good thing that you are exploring the website, and it is
Yes.
very nice that you are doing something by your own. I appreciate that, but
Yeah.
if you don't see on the screen what I am telling you, you will miss that out, and you go on the other person will miss that as well. You might not
Simultaneously,
get the perfect knowledge
yes,
of it. No?
simultaneously it's not happening. Watching you doing things and I am doing
That's what I
on my
said.
iPad, right?
That is
Yes.
why I always give 10 minutes, 5 minutes in all the sessions, so that you have one look of all the options.
Yet,
Okay,
but
and
till
after
then
this
we forget
session,
what we are doing, sir. That's why we are doing it. I am doing it simultaneously.
we have the
It's okay.
recordings.
We later on I
Yes,
practice at home after the
yes,
class gets over. It's okay.
yes,
Thank you.
yes. Okay. So, see, there are so many of questions. So before the questions, let's first publish the website. After that, I will give you 5 minutes. You check all the things. We will go for the domain part as well, Aditya. Okay. I said it in the first thing. So first, see, after the completion of the website, we just need to click on the publish button, and the website will be published. You see this view site, just click on that, and in the above you see this kaushikmohitdm.wixsite.com slash mohit media. So basically this is a free domain. Okay, free domain and hosting from the Wix. So we don't have to purchase the premium version of that. On the only thing is, in that free version, the Wix badging will be there. Okay, this badge, the logo watermark will be there, but it is only in the starting part, not after that. Like you can see the complete website we have here, and if I click on any of the options, it is redirecting me. And after publishing the website, if we open that, we cannot see the mobile version here. But after publishing and clicking on view site, you have this link. Copy this link and send it to your WhatsApp, send it to me, and open that in your mobile. Okay, so now we have published our website. Now I'm giving you 5 minutes. Just check out the options in the mobile as well, and in the header, check out that. After that, we will head to the more options, like how to connect the domain, the payment gateway, and all. Are you done with checking the things, everyone? Have you checked the things? So, shall I move ahead or you need 2 minutes more? Okay, two are done. What about others? Done. A few minutes. Okay. So 2 minutes I am giving more. Okay. Just check it out.
Sir, I went to that thing, but it is not showing. First of all, what we should do? Just a
What
minute.
what ma'am?
It is showing.
Hmm.
Welcome back, my Amuda. Let's set up your business. It is telling connect a system custom domain. Yesterday I created one,
Yes.
um, but today it's not there.
Okay.
How to
I
go
will
to the
show
next
you.
step?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I will
Okay.
let you. Okay, 1 minute more and then we will start. Okay, so let's move ahead. Pratinav, just see on the screen and everyone else. Let's move ahead with the more options. See, after publishing, like I said, you can just send this link to me and I can see that. You can send this link to others as well. They can also see that. Okay. So here in the desktop, we go back. Every time you do a change in the website, you have to publish it. Okay. Only then you will be able to see in this original website. Because if you don't publish that, then nobody will see the changes. So make sure every time you do a change, you first save it and then publish it as well. So let's move to the other options. Our website publishing is done. Now here on the Wix, we just click on this, go to dashboard. Okay, we'll see the dashboard. We'll see the dashboard options. Now the first thing that is, it shows welcome to the this section, right? And you are not able to see your website. So you just need to click on edit site here. And still if you don't able to see that, here in the above section from the Wix, like here the Wix is there, in the right side you will see a name. Click on that. You will see one website or two websites here. So you might have created a new website. Okay, so that means you can create multiple website under one Gmail ID. Like here you might have accidentally accidentally clicked on this new site, create new site, and you might be on the new website, not on the one you have created earlier. So like here you can just click on the another one and then you will be redirected to the same page. Just click on the edit site and you will see your website, the one you have created.
Okay.
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 And if you wanted to change the name of the website, here before this edit site or design site, you will see two options, edit site or design site. The same option is this.
Okay.
Okay, the site action, you will see the rename site. So in that you can rename your website again. Okay, and in the site URL, the same name will be here, but without any capital N, without any space, or without any numbers, without anything else. Okay,
Okay.
so here below you see this option, connect a custom domain. Okay, that was also a query from all. So what is it? See, now see, basically this thing, .in, .com, .org, these are the domains. Okay, these are called the domains, but we take a domain name with complete thing, that is digitaldronacharya.in. This is a domain name. And like here you see this, Kaushik Mohit dm.wixsite.com slash Mohit Media. So that is a free domain from the Wix with the Wix website name in it. But if we don't want the name of the Wix, then we will go for this domain and we need to purchase that. Okay, so let's suppose you have a website, you have a domain, you have purchased from the website like GoDaddy. So GoDaddy is a one website from where you can purchase the domains. So by purchasing from there, you can connect it here. Okay, you can just add your domain name like here, Digital Dronacharya, or let's put digitalybulan.com. I have, so I can just click on let's go. Now with that, it will say that digitalybulan.com is already registered, means this domain is already taken by other. So the thing is, basically I have this domain, I can just click on connect it to your website. Like if it is yours, you can connect, so we can click on connect it to your website, but this domain already have a website, so we can now connect it here. So the thing is, if you have a website, if you have a domain and wanted to connect it with here on the Wix, so you can do that. But see the thing, like I said, a GoDaddy's website is there, platform is there to purchase the domains. But if you are creating a website from the Wix, okay, if you are creating a website from the Wix, you don't need to purchase the domain and hosting from any other website, because on the Wix, because on the Wix website, when we click on this upgrade option, like here, okay, we have these option, premium plan of the Wix website. Like this one, you can see the light version, so we don't choose this one. We all go for the core, because
Yesterday, it all showed these things for me, sir.
you might have clicked on the upgrade option basically. Okay,
Okay. Oh,
so like see, the same option is there because we have the 50% off on that, 250 rupees per month. In that we get the 5 collaborators, 50 GB storage, basic marketing, and one free domain for 1 year. Accept payments, that is for the payment gateways, e-commerce we can also make here. So we just select this plan for a 1 year, for 2 years, 3 years, or monthly. But we go for the year, okay, yearly. But let's suppose if you already have a business and you wanted to scale it for a longer term, and you are finalized that yes, you will purchase the domain for a longer time and you need the website for a longer term, you can go for the 3 years as well, because that will make the costing a little lower. Like you can see 150 per month for 3 years. And if you go for one, that is 250. So let's go for the 1 year. Mostly we only go for the 1 year. And here, as you can see, for a yearly plan, it is just 3,500. And if you have a GST as well with you, you can add it there. Then this 18% GST will also be removed directly. Okay, you don't have to go for the CAs and all. It will be removed from here. So this is how you connect and upgrade to the premium version of the Wix. Clear, everyone? The domain part, what is a domain, how to connect your domain here, and how to purchase the premium version, all the things. So after that, here we are on the setup option. So let's go for the home dashboard. So in the home dashboard, we see the analytics as well here, like site sessions, unique visitors, click to contact means who visited your website, how many persons, users visited your website, and how many times, who are the new users on your website. Activity feed, we also have like who have clicked on this, one thing, who clicked on that page, who filled the form, who buy the things and all. So this is just the home. Next, we have the option of the agent. AI agents is just another thing that is regarding the agent AI part. Next, we have getting paid. Okay, so in that we go for the payment gateways. Okay, getting paid, we have the first option, connect and setup. Like here, it says start accepting payment, so we need to connect our payment gateway. If But the thing is, if we are creating an e-commerce website, like we are giving an option on our website to purchase the product, then we need this payment gateway option. But the website that we have created as of now, we don't need the payment gateway for that. So, but for the future, we just can click on connect payment method, and we have the payment options here like PayPal, Razor Pay, PayU India, cash free payment, that is allows you to accept the credit card, bank transfer, UPI, Bheem, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, Phone Pay, as well as buy now, pay later in installment or one time payments. As you can see, everything is accepted with the cash free. And Air Pay, Easy Buzz, manual payments as well. So if you connect with the manual payment, that means the users on your website can select the cash option, means cash on delivery. And we see here, see more payment options. Paytm payment gateway as well is there. Okay, so we can just connect, click on connect here, and here the payment gateway fees will also be there. Like for each transaction, the payment gateways charge some amount, some percentage. So this fees varies according to the each of the payment gateway. Like here, the account information we need to add, the merchant ID, merchant secret key that is provided from your payment gateway gateway website. Just add the information here and just click on connect. It is that much simple. Okay, I think it's clear, everyone, about the payment gateway. Done. Done. So after the payment gateways, like see in this getting paid, we have the option of invoices as well. So that means if someone purchases a product, the invoice can be generated from here itself and can be sent automatically as well. But for that, we need to add the payment gateway first. Then we have the sales option, like how much sales has been done on your website. In the apps, app market is there. In the mobile section, this is just important part. Okay, this is an important part here. So Just a minute. In the mobile, give me a minute here. If it is the thing. Yes. So in this, okay, site and mobile app, basically, we have first have the website overview. Okay. On the Wix, the mobile application is also there of the Wix, but we cannot, design the website there. That is just basically for the mobile version of the website. Like you can check the mobile, your website in the mobile there. In the website overview, we need to go, okay, site and mobile app, we need to go to the website overview. You will be here. Now here you will see the first option, that is start your SEO journey to get found on Google. We all know what is an SEO. I told everyone. We know what is an SEO. Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Nice. So yes, search engine optimization. Okay. So SEO means search engine optimization that help us to rank our website on the Google organically. So here let's start with the SEO. Get started. Now here you don't have to do everything manually. Means you don't have to check out that what I need to do, what I don't need to do, because here when you click on get started, it will ask you all the questions. It will suggest you all the things what you need to do with your SEO part. So our name of the website, it is asking first, that is Mohit Media. And where does this website serve? Means online or offline, physical address or within a local service, but it is a nationwide. Which keyword do you want to use in this site checklist? Means, see, the keyword that you add here, the keyword we all know that anything that is searched on the Google is a keyword. So we need to add the keywords that mostly people search on the Google. That is, we will add here best, first letter capital, best digital marketing agency. Enter. We add here the best digital marketing agency. What else we can add here is freelancing digital marketing services. We can add that as well. And what else we can add is mm, social media marketing agency services. We can add that as well. And we can also add the content writing freelancing agency. Okay. And we can add a simple, that is digital marketing. Digital marketing, like that. Okay. So we have added the 5 keywords here. The max we can add is 5. Now here are some suggestions, that is don't include your business name or site name. So we haven't included it here. Just click on the next option. Now the first thing is set the homepage title for search results. So what is a homepage title is, like you can see this home with media. Let me show you what is a homepage title. See, this is the homepage title. Okay, this is a homepage. The title is here, that is home digital Dronacharya most leading digital marketing institute. So we can add that here like this. Choose a title and click apply. Mohit Media best digital marketing agency. Just click apply and publish. After that, it is asking for the description. Add the homepage description for search results. It will be like 50 to 500 characters. For that, we can take the help of the chat GPT. Like here, we can ask it to create the description for the home page of our website named Mohit Media, and keep the description between we can add 100 to 180 characters. Okay, just note it down, everyone. The title and the description length. Okay, the length here that is given by the Wix is too much, too big. Basically, the proper length, the perfect length of the description and the title is, for the title we call it meta title, the length will be 60 to 70 characters. Okay, the length will be 60 to 70 characters, and for the meta description the length will be 150 to 170 characters. Okay, 50 to 70 and 150 to 170. Can enter it. We can add this. Welcome to Mohit Media, where creativity meets strategy to build powerful digital brands. Can add that here, but there is no keyword that we have added. So we can add to welcome to Mohit Media, the digital marketing agency where creativity meets strategy to build powerful digital brands and all the things. So we just click on apply and publish. Now, just like that, one thing is allow indexing to make your homepage visible in search result. We need to make it on if we wanted our, if you want to rank our website on the Google. So we need to just turn on it. That let search engine index your homepage and site. So after turning, just click on the apply and publish. But my website is just a demo website, so I will not publish it. You need to publish it. Okay. After that, we have the option of connect this site to a custom domain premium feature. That is the thing. That is, we need to add a connect, a domain by ourselves. But for that, we need to purchase a premium as well. And for that, we need the domain first. Okay, the purchase premium is a just different thing, but we need at least the domain first. Okay, so we cannot do this. After that, connect this website to Search Console. Google Search Console. So Google Search Console is basically a platform by the Google itself that shows how Google is seeing our website. Okay. See, there are two terms, two websites are there, platforms, Google Analytics and Google Search Console. So in Google Analytics, we, the owner of the website, can see how the users are interacting with our website. Means, let's suppose this is my website and I publish it, and you come on this website. Okay, you come on this website, so I can see how many people clicked on the website, how many clicked on the about page, how many clicked on the contact, how many leave the website from which page. So I can see all the things. So that can be only seen through the Google Analytics, like how the user is interacting with our website. But like I said, with the SEO part, in the SEO, how the Google sees our website can be seen through the can be seen through the Google Search Console. That's tool. Okay, in Google Search Console, we open the tool, we connect our website, and we can see how the Google is interacting with our website, which page Google is ranking, which page uh, Google thinks there is an issue in that page. So we can see all the things in Google Search Console. I think all this is clear, everyone. So like that, the SEO part we have done, the marketing part we are inbox. Like if there are some inboxes, the customers and leads, if someone fill your the contact form that we have added. So you can just come here, customers and leads. In the leads, you will see the forms option. Sorry, the contact information, the leads you will see here. So there are no leads because there are no things are here. So in the analytics, we can see the same thing in the Google Analytics that I just told you. And in the settings option, we have the options of accepting payments, getting paid, receipts. So we have already seen that for the payment gateways. Then AI marketing settings, it has SEO part we have done. The roles permission, business information is this. Like we can add our business information, the name, logo, which category it is, location if you wanted to, and all the things. If you wanted to generally, but that is not necessary. So with that, all the part of the website designing of the Wix is completed here. Anybody? If you have any doubts, you can ask. And if it's clear, do let me know. Is it clear, everyone? All these sections, all the parts, options. Done, everyone. So with that, we have completed our uh, Wix website designing part. And now, see, if you don't have any doubts, so just do one thing. Okay, you have to complete this website by today, and after completing the website, okay, just send the link to me, your published link, and also just record your website and make it make the story of that website, record your website through your phone, and put that video on the Instagram. Okay, so when putting on the Instagram, you can just add that there, that if you also wanted to make us your website, you can contact us. Okay, so what will happen is you are marketing yourself, you are marketing your website, so you can charge them the amount for that website. So what happens is, you web your website is completed, you put it on the Instagram, you put it on the WhatsApp, text it there, like if you wanted us, if you wanted me, and if you also want your website like this, just connect with me. So you can create their website the same way. But for that website, if they wanted a domain and all the things, you can, in the starting, you have to make it clear that for the domain part, you will charge others. Okay, you will charge the other amount, that is 3600 is the fixed amount, as you have seen as well. But you have to let them know that you for this website, okay, the charges I am explaining you, for this kind of website you can charge 4,000 to 7,000. Okay, that is up to you. You can charge between 4,000 to 7,000 without the domain, premium version and hosting of this Wix. Okay, without that means with that 7,000 rupees you are going to charge extra, that is 3,500 or 3,600 for the domain and all. Means the proper website will be of approximately 10,000 rupees. Okay, but in the starting you have to let them know that there is the premium version of the website that is approximately of 7,000. But if we do this with the new mail id, we might get the 50% off. Okay, and with the 50% that will be of around 3,500. So that will be borne by the owner only, not by the editor. Means not borne by the you, but by the actual owner of the website. Okay, you have to make that clear in the starting. Understood, everyone? Because if you create a website in 5,000 and you are also giving the domain and all, that means you are only left with the 1,500 rupees in your hand. That is just nothing for the website design. People are charging 15 to 20,000 for these kind of websites even. So I only give you the charges as a beginner so that you start your work in this field. Okay, first start something, then we will, after some time you can charge the money with a lot more as well. Because in the starting we need to make the things, we need to make the clients first, then we can charge more things, more amount. So anybody has any doubts?
Sir, about the Wix Harmony and Wix.
Okay, Wix Harmony and the Wix. See, you can edit the website in the Wix Harmony and the Wix. There is no issue. But the main thing is in the Wix Harmony, the interface is different. Okay, so in Wix Harmony interface, it is difficult to edit the website and it is difficult to locate the elements easily. Okay, there is also one more, Wix part, that is we are editing in the Wix editor, but there is also Wix Studio from the Wix itself. But the Wix Studio is a complicated thing. So the same thing, Wix Harmony is a complicated version. So we only go for the Wix editor only. Okay.
So in the Wix Harmony for publishing, I don't need to pay anything, no, sir.
No, you don't. You have to pay no for the domain if you
No,
wanted.
not for the domain, only
Yeah,
just
in the
publishing.
free version you can do.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Okay. In the free version, both Harmony and Wix you can use. You can publish it in the free.
Okay, sir.
Anybody any doubts? Okay. See,
So,
this might yes.
I have one doubt. So, while adding a video to the website page, like in
Yes.
one section, it's not allowing to upload video from the computer. Or while drag and drop also, it's not accepting.
See, when
Can
you
you
are
just
clicking
show
on
that?
the see when you click on, like, here in the background and you have the option of change background, click on the video. So you can just click on the upload media and we have the media here. Let me just see. So this is the logo video here we have. So we can upload it and we just click on change background. It will be changed, but the video will only be played in the preview or after the publishing, not in this editing.
Sir, not this one. You have added three videos and clubbed them together as a group.
Yes.
Yeah, this one. Yeah. Here
Mhm.
it's not accepting.
Click on change video. We can change, and here we have the video we just uploaded. Just click on add to page. It's changed. No such things are there. You might have clicked on something else. Okay, just add the video frame again, like from the elements. You have to go to the video and music. You have to add this first one. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. After adding that, you will see this same, and just click on that and click on change video. It will be
Okay,
done.
sir. Thank you. Yeah, I will try that. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And yes, Aditya, you can't change Wix domain name without the payment. Okay. You have to purchase the premium version. Basically, you have to purchase the hosting first. After purchasing the hosting, you can connect the domain. Okay, so if nobody has any doubts, let me tell you, this might be our last class. Okay, tomorrow we have the 15th day, and it is possible that tomorrow Gauri ma'am will take the class of yours. It might be possible. Okay, so this is our last class. So if anybody has any doubts, you can ask me. And in the tomorrow session, we will talk about the earnings part, like how to start your earning in this field, how to change the things around you, and all. Okay, like see, as we can see, the 15th day, that is the publishing the website, the SEO settings and mobile and all, but we have already done this part here. Okay, so if anybody has any doubts regarding these 14 days, you can ask me. And
Sir,
also,
one doubt.
yes,
Sir, I'm facing problem in this canvas, sir, like designing and video editing. How to improve, like?
your voice was not audible correctly. What to download? Hello.
Sir, actually, I'm telling, sir, like I'm facing problem in this Canva part, sir, like editing and video.
Yes.
How to improve it, like?
How to improve it? See, for
Yeah, yeah.
improving your things, see, in these days, we have given you a lot of
Hmm.
things, right? We have teach you a lot of things. So the thing is,
Yes,
to
sir. Yes, sir.
improve these parts, you have to practice it again and again. Like for the videos, what you can do is you can go to the Instagram or the Facebook. You will see the tutorial videos of there. Okay, just on the YouTube as well. Go there, add
Okay.
the Canva video tutorial. You will see the videos there. Okay, what people do is they make a video and then they make the tutorial of it as well, like how the video is made. So try to copy them. So what will happen is when you copy a video, you will duplicate, you are replicating it. So while replicating, your mind is getting a thing that how to
Hmm.
change the elements, where to put the things and all.
Okay.
That will improve your things, and the more you use it, the more you practice it, the more you will improve it. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
practicing is the only thing to improve the things. You have to
Okay,
observe
sir.
the things.
Yes, sir.
Yes, and see, with that, don't ever think like, for everyone, don't think like you have created something worse, you are creating a bad thing and you are not doing enough. See, it's not like you can do it everything in a one day. Right. The day I started in this field, I created a design that is a more worse. I cannot explain it. A very bad design it was. So, but with time, what happens is we observe, right? We practice more, and the more we practice, with time, it gets improved. And today, you can see me here. Okay. Anyone?
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, how to check whether logo we are using it's a genuine or it's copied from somewhere? Is there any website to check that?
As of now, there is no such thing for the logo. That there is only the trademark things are there. Okay,
Okay, yeah. Thanks a lot.
trademark you might have known. So you have to be for the trade. Go for the trademark officer
Hmm.
and check it there.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other anyone? So thank you so much everyone for hearing me for these 14 days. That was a good journey with you all. And I liked your spirit as well. Like you guys were doing the such things. You were doing great, in fact, somewhere, and you were sending the things to me during the classes. So that was a good part because in this session, in the class, I could not see the your designs basically, but you were sending them on the WhatsApp like as I asked you. So that is a good thing. So hats off to you all. You created the things. You learned a lot of things. So thank you so much. And with that, request you all to share your kindly feedback with us as well. And if time persists, we will, and there might be chances that we will, be in touch as well for the other classes as well, if you will see. And for the tomorrow, I think so the 90% chances are there that Gauri ma'am will take, but what will happen is we'll see tomorrow because she is the founder of the Digital Dronacharya. So she has a lot of things. But I asked her to for the tomorrow's class, but we'll see. Like if she gets the time, she will be here. Otherwise, you have to hear my voice one day more. Okay. So okay, let's wrap the today's session, everyone. Requesting your kindly reviews for the today's session and for all these 14 days. That will be very motivating thing. So Lakshita was with us, but she left early and she shared the review with me. So, but thanks to her. Thank you, Sangeeta. Thank you so much. And we will be in touch for sure. Everyone, if you face any of the doubts, you have my number. You can get in touch with me anytime. Okay, just ping me on my WhatsApp and I will be there for you all because we wanted to be in touch and the more we connect with each other, the more we grow. Okay, because nobody knows where we can meet. So thank you so much. And thank you, Pratinav. Thank you so much, everyone. Ramindra, Rakhi. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Madhu, Vasha, and thank you so much, Nidhi, Manasmita. The one is MI Lemon X1, you know, joined with this name. So whoever he is, Thank you so much. I hope you have gained a lot of things and will practice all these things. And if you face any doubts, we can be in touch. And see, I request you to put your website video on the Instagram. So also tag us as well, the Digital Dronacharya. That will be very nice. Thank you so much, everyone, and bye bye. Thanks, Manoharan. Bye, everyone. Thank you, Sushmita.